Hey everyone, I'm Kais and welcome back to another C++ tutorial. This tutorial is about if statements. Up until now, our programs have been the same every time we run them. If statements are what allow a computer to make decisions and behave differently depending on some factor. In C++, the syntax for an if statement looks like this. If expression, and then do whatever you want if the condition is true. So the body of the if statement is everything between the curly braces. If the expression evaluates to true, then the program executes all the statements in the body. If it evaluates to false, then we skip the body. So for example, let's say we had a variable int x equals 500. We want the program to tell us if x is a positive number or not. So our expression would be x is greater than 0. This will evaluate to true if x is greater than 0 and false otherwise. So in code it would look like this. If x is greater than 0, and then we can do cout x is a positive number. We could put anything we want in the body. For this example, we'll just write x is a positive number to the screen. Go ahead and run this program, and you should see it print x is a positive number to the screen. Now let's try changing the value of x to something like a -3. Run the program again, and you'll see it doesn't print anything. This is because the program ran line by line. It got to the if statement and checked if x was greater than 0. Since it was not, the expression evaluated to false and it skipped everything in the if statement body. Now, what if we wanted to do one thing if x was positive and something else if it wasn't? This is what an else statement is for. Basically, if the if statement evaluates to false, it will do what's in the else body. So if x is greater than 0, we do this body. Otherwise, we do the else statement. So let's add one. Else cout x is not a positive number. So our program will run one block or the other, but not both. Compile and run the program, and you'll see it print x is not a positive number, because it looked at x in the if statement, saw that it was not greater than 0, so it did the else block instead. In this tutorial, we use the greater than operator. There are other comparisons you can make, though, like greater than or equal, less than or equal, or exactly equal. To compare whether it's equal to something, you need to use two equal signs. Beginners very frequently make the mistake of using a single equal sign, which sets a variable instead of comparing it. This is technically valid C++, so be very careful. Always use two equal signs when you're comparing. Play around with these on your own to get a better feel for if statements. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.